Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a hard problem LRU cache. We need to implement a data structure that works like LRU cache. LRU cache is the least recently used cache. That means we'll take an dictionary where we put values until the capacity is run out, and whenever we get something, that's the value that is most recently used, that is put in the front, and the least recently used is pushed to the back. So to solve this, let us import a linked list, double linked list or double-ended queue, and let us take the capacity be cap, that is initialized, and let's keep the cache be a dictionary, and let us take the order in the dq that keeps track of the both left and right values at the utmost ends, and let us quickly write a get function for this. If the given key is in the cache, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the order of it. That means we'll remove the key from the dq and append this at the very start of that. That means we'll going to start this from the first. That means append left, or else we'll just return the -1, and we need a return value in the end. That means we'll just keep the cache key value as the return statement. This is a simple get for this, and here comes the main task. We need to write a put function for this. That means if the key is already there in the cache, but sometimes we'll get different values for the same keys, so we'll assign the new value to it, and let us reorder this. That means we'll remove the key again and append it at the start, because this is the recently accessed one, and if the key is not there, that means we'll need to add it. That means the help.cache equal to value, and let us order this. We don't need to remove anything because this is a new value, so we'll add it to the front of the queue, and sometimes we'll may reach the limit if the length of self.cache is greater than or equal to the self.capacity. That means we exceeded the limits, so we are going to take the last value that is there in the cache, sorry, the order dot pop. We took the last value out and delete it from the cache. That means self.cache of value. So this is a simple dictionary implementation, but to keep track of it, we'll use an ordered DQ or a double linked list. We can still do this with the raw logic. That means writing a new node with the values previous and next, and modifying the linked list each and every time after new put, and keeping these conditions into consideration. So let us run it. Once for the initial cases, let us submit this. This works. As the time is limited, I have used an library. Please check out the double linked list implementation from the articles in Geeks for Geeks, and please like, share, and subscribe. This is a common interview problem. Please check it out, and thank you.